starting off this vlog kind of in a hurry. Hopefully I can get everything done that I need to get done before my sister comes and picks me up. And she's having to pick me up instead of us meeting because my car's at her house. I'm getting ready really fast because me and my sister have a couple of meetings that we have to go to today that are just like involving tinted and stuff. And yeah, I'm in a rush because I've also got to go take a prom dress that I bought last year that I didn't end up wearing to someone to try and see if they want to wear it for their prom this year. And so it's just all a big rush.
In my car, so I can't find one at all.
Oh.
Do you have one in your? Well, you have your keys. I still can get in there.
Yeah. So I just realized I wasn't videoing that whole time that I was talking, but I just got off the phone with Bailey. Like I was saying, I got hand tied extensions. My hair didn't just grow this much. My dog is barking. This is probably the most dysfunctional video you've ever seen. So this is how long my real hair has gotten. I don't really remember how long it was when I first got them, but my hairdresser like took pictures just so we could kind of like track it. So I'm just ready for my hair to get longer, so it's just like my hair's thicker all the way down because it has my hair plus the extension. I'm gonna do a little bun. My buns are also so much cuter now. You can just do so much more, or I can do so much more compared to what my hair was. I can just do so much more with it now. So see, like my bun when I had short hair would have never looked like that. Just like so much to it. You can just pull it out anywhere and everywhere. I need to tuck this piece in. But I love it. And like I can now put my hair up in a bun and feel like it looks more put together. Now we're gonna do something about my room. It's not really dirty, but I need to like make my bed and stuff. And you see those cute flowers over there that TR got me? Blessed. So I'm gonna wear this jacket. This is dirty. Someone please tell me how to just stand up straight all the time. Like, so I'm like this. I'm gonna make it like a thing where I have to stand up straight. Ow! So it's a little bit later. I'm here with Bailey now. We just left our meeting with the bank. We're just sitting here because both of our phones are about to die, so we're letting them get a little bit of charge. I'm also just being very, very shook. Your face when you had it right there.
I have a peppermint. I just got some information.
That makes no sense.
That makes no sense. I wish I could tell you, but I can't.
We're getting planners. Anyways, we came here for paper and a planner for her, but then I decided to get the same one. Oh.
We're looking for trinkets for Everly.
I don't know. I keep posing. We'll show you our planners when we get to the car.
We're getting the same one because this is the cutest one. This is cute. I can't wait for Everly to never go to school.
Okay.
It's been a really rough day. I don't even know what time it is.
It hasn't been rough. The bank meeting was good.
Yeah.
So anyways, I told y'all we would show y'all our planners.
So I got this one.
And I got this one.
So they're kind of similar.
These are normally $30 and they were on sale at Michael's. We didn't even know until we got up there.
They were on sale for $12 and we got an extra 2, so they ended up being like 9 something.
It's cray.
It was cray. Because we were expecting to pay a lot of money for them.
Yeah.
Or not a lot, but a lot for some paper.
Anyways, they're really cute. This one has a bunch of like cute
well, look at the back page.
Spreads.
That is just so cute. There are like a lot of really cute ones. This is the brand the Happy Planner. There are like a lot of different ones, but this one just gets you the most excited for your day.
Yeah, pretty much we're just trying to get our lives on track for the new year.
I'm not very well, actually I am. I'm very hopeful that this is going to help me get my life on track. Yep. So I'm going to start when I get home, and I'm going to write things in it.
You go to June because that's when your birthday is?
Yeah.
I really need a fizzy.
I know, that's what I was saying. I already said I needed a fizz.
You don't have one?
No, I didn't bring. I will. Some could have fallen back there, so we'll definitely check on that.
Anyway, I really wish I could take my phone into the Red Lobster. I love it when people
Hey,
say V.
did mom give you a?
Did mom give me what?
What's gonna put them up to me? A box.
A box of.
So maybe you could find a plug in Red Lobster and plug it up.
No, she only gave me a tube.
I mean, see if I have any fizz into that.
Yeah, I was about to say that. Look! It was in the cup holder right here.
Yeah, I thought they were empty.
There was one empty one.
Well, that sucks because one's of mine held, isn't it?
Yeah, but don't you just put one of each?
Yeah, but you're not gonna have one.
I'll just take a sip of yours. It's obviously the next day, and this camera's really freaking heavy. I need to get a tripod. And that's just gonna make it heavier, I know, but never mind. It's the next day, and I just woke up. I'm about to go. Nobody's with me. My car is a mess. I'm about to go to my sister Bailey's house to ride with them to the store. We're doing like a crawfish bowl today with my family. And we have to go get like the fixings that go in it, like the corn and the mushrooms and the potatoes and stuff. So, I just want y'all to know I'm like on my driveway while I'm driving right now. Not really driveway, but like this is like technically my driveway, part of it. And so like when I get on the main road, I'll definitely put this down. But anyways, I'm going with them to get that. I really want to get Taco Bell, so hopefully they'll take me to get Taco Bell. Yeah, so I'll vlog when I get with Bailey and Bradley and Everly.
And so then she said, but then this is what it really
Say
is.
hey vlog.
Here. Stop it real quick. I gotta tell a drama alert.
Thank you for calling. Working hours are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you have any questions, you can simply email us.
How can I help you?
Yeah, I just received a missed call. I assume it was about our show order.
Give me a second. Let me transfer your call. How can I help you?
Yeah, I just received a missed call from y'all. I assume it's about our show order.
Oh, okay, sure. Let me go ahead and check out your account. May I have your business name?
It's Tempted.
We have 12 styles ready. It's a total of 84 pieces.
Okay.
The total is $992.10 plus shipping. I'll go ahead and send you a copy of the invoice with the merchandise that you're going to be receiving. Okay?
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have yourself a great day.
Thank you, you too. Basically, today, I have some things to do. I didn't go to school because I literally just couldn't get up this morning. So don't take advice from me. If you're worried about the color of this, I am too. I didn't mean to put that much creamer in, but it's good. So let me put you somewhere where I don't have to bend. Anyways, I look a mess right now, but basically today I have a couple of things to do. So I've got to run to town to Sally's to get some things that I need. I'm doing a girl's hair and makeup for a pageant today. Yeah, I've got to run to town to do that. Should have done it before now, but you know, procrastinator. And then hopefully me and my sister can continue to do some more attempted orders today. So that's the plan. You're crooked. I'm sorry, I didn't realize. I'll see you when I'm out of the shower. So this just happened. Literally the only two highlighter colors that I use, like I don't use this one, I use those two, fell out. And the lid broke off, so that's good. Y'all, it is a good day. I'm so excited about multiple things. But first of all, if you can't tell, I got a car tripod. And if you're wondering, it's the Fat Gecko I didn't get the mini mount, I got the stealth mount because my windshield is like, I drive a Mustang, so like the windshield's very leaned back, so like the stealth mount kind of has like this thing that goes out, so I felt like it would take up more room. But this mount is literally freaking great. Hopefully the audio is decent. Like I said, since I drive a Mustang, my car's kind of loud, not in like a weird, annoying way. It's just like, I haven't done anything to it, that's just how it came, because it's a GT, so it's kind of loud and by itself. Yeah, I don't know what else I'm saying. It's not sunny outside at all, but I thought I lost my sunglasses, but I was looking underneath my seats for my debit card, and I didn't find my debit card, but I found my sunglasses. So it seems like a win to me, because I can always cancel a debit card. I didn't really want to have to buy new glasses. It's 12:58. I've got to be freaking lickety split fast. I'm just really excited about this car mount. Hopefully people just drive by me and they think that it's like a GPS or something, or I don't know. But if not, who really cares? I just need to learn how to not give a freaking crap, because I care way too much. I compare myself to people way too much, and I care about what people think too much. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna listen to some music now, so talk to y'all later. A few days later, I promise I'm gonna get better at not taking such a big break. But I just filmed a collab video with FabFitFun, so I gotta clean that up and put it away. Do y'all have any tips on how to get rid of a double chin, because your girl needs help? Wow, such a good angle. We love all that work just for you to watch me clean. Oh, don't look at that. Just don't look at it. All right. I'm about to do now, but I'm bored, and I guess I should edit my video since it's got to be posted soon. So basically what I've done today is, this morning I went to school from 8 to 2. I'm in hair school, if y'all didn't know. And then I came back here, made my video. It's at 4:44 now, so like obviously I didn't take 2 hours to film a video, or 3 hours to film a video, but I had to like freshen up my makeup and stuff from school and change, fix my hair a little, chilled for a sec, because I made some coffee to give myself some energy for that video. Evie's here. Evie! I think she looks a mess. She put on some lipstick earlier and now it's smeared all over her face. Maybe we'll get her in the vlog later. So I guess I'm just gonna import these into my computer, edit for a little bit. Need to find my glasses. I guess that's what I'm about to do. I don't know if I should like unmake my bed. I like, everybody says like they hate to like work in their bedroom and stuff, and like because they'll get sidetracked or like they get tired or whatever, but I have no other place to right now. Our desk is currently unavailable, or my desk with my iMac is currently unavailable, so I guess I'm just gonna unmake my bed and get comfy, maybe make some more coffee. Just have like a chill editing time, because I have nothing else to do today. I have tomorrow in case editing runs into tomorrow. Tell me if y'all are like okay with like just like chill vlogs like this, where like I don't really do much, but I show what I do. I might start showing more behind the scenes of like Tempted stuff. If y'all don't know, me and my sister have an online boutique, but I really do want to show more of that. It's just right now everything is just so crazy. I'll have to do a whole video about that. Me and Bailey actually filmed a whole video about that, but it's literally all over the place. It's probably an hour and a half to 2 hours worth of footage. So I think what we need to do is answer the same questions, but kind of like go over an outline first, because we're literally all over the place the whole time, and just kind of write it down and know what we're going to be saying, because otherwise it's literally just going to be a bunch of rambling. So yeah, y'all don't judge me for getting in my bed to edit this video, because it's the only option I have right now. You'll see my flowers. TR got me those for Valentine's Day. And then there were some other ones that he literally got me a week before, but they died pretty fast. They're pink though, but I think I'm going to keep them, because they're like the first flowers she's given me. Maybe that's being a hoarder, but like, I don't know. I think I want to keep them and just like dry them out. Wow, I literally set you up over here when I always take my pillows off over there. I don't know what I'm doing. You want your picture taken?
No, I want my picture.
You want to take it? Okay, here, I'll turn it around so you can see it. You want to hold it? Be careful.
Everything's
Hold the bottom. It's heavy.
Very heavy. You might not be able to.
See? It's heavy. You done? Is it too heavy? Oh.
You have red cheeks from that lipstick you put on.
Look, turn this way.
I'm gonna do you.
Oh, you want to take a picture of me? Okay. Look. You see it? Point it on me. Point the camera at me.
What is that?
You gotta point the camera at me.
What is it?
What?
What is
There you go. You see me?